Are you experiencing error code CE-107527-2 on PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart your PS5 console. When there is a problem with the data you are trying to install, you mostly get the error CE-107527-2 on PS5. To fix the error, the first thing you can do is restart the console. Turn off the PS5 by pressing and holding the power button until you hear the second beep. Wait for a couple of minutes, then turn it back on. Now check if the issue is resolved, else go on to the next solutions. Method 2. Use a wired connection. The next thing you can do is use a wired connection. You can use an Ethernet cable to connect your PS5 directly to your modem or router. Doing this can provide a more stable and faster internet connection compared to Wi-Fi. This can be especially beneficial while you are downloading large files. So try that and check if this could resolve the installation failed error. Method 3. Move the PS5 closer to the router. The next thing you should do is move the PS5 console closer to the router. Remove any obstacles between the PS5 and the router, as this can significantly improve your internet connection. If doing this does not improve the connection, restart the router or modem. Method 4. Restart your router. Turn off your router by pressing the power button or unplugging it. Wait for a few minutes, turn it back on and wait for it to fully restart. Method 5. Check for updates. Next, you should ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, go to the system, then from the system software section, select system software update and settings. Then select update system software and then select update using internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Method 6. Change DNS settings. The next thing you can do is change the DNS settings. To do that, open PS5 settings, then select network, then select settings under network. Now select setup internet connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network. Then go to options and select advanced settings. Scroll down to DNS settings. Select it and set it to manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK. Once done, head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. Method 7. Reinstall the game. Next, you can uninstall and reinstall the game on which you are experiencing the error. To uninstall a game on PS5, open PS5 device storage, then head to console storage. Then select Games and Apps. Now select the problematic game and select the delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. Next, reinstall the game from the Play Store and check. Go to the PlayStation Store on your game library and re-download the game. Method 8. Rebuild database. Next, you can rebuild database. To do that, turn off your PS5 completely, ensuring it's not in rest mode. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. This will start the console in safe mode, which should take a few minutes. Connect a DualSense controller using a USB cable once in safe mode. Press the PS button on the controller, then select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Select Rebuild Database from the menu using the controller to navigate. Confirm the rebuild operation by pressing the X button on the controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. After completing the rebuild process, restart the console. Method 9. Contact support. If the methods shown did not fix the issue, you can visit the Play Store support page for further assistance. Follow the guide provided by the support team to fix the issue. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when you are experiencing error code CE-107527-2 on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Check out the description below for links to purchase the tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.